Sending this out to your lid because you don't know what snow looks like anymore. And we got plenty of it already. It's only about 3, 4 o'clock. Looks like about, I don't know, 3 to 6 inches out there. And it's supposed to keep going to about 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Update later. Enjoy it.